Welcome back on this Wallet Wednesday. You know, there's a new trend when it comes to investing your money. Bills made out of 24-karat gold.
Yes, they are quite a bit more in value than some of the bills in your wallet right now. They are like paper notes that you use, but of course they are valued in the gold market. And some are being made by a company based right here in Portland. Joining us live to talk about it is Adam Trexler, president and founder of Valaurum. Good morning.
Great to be here.
So let's talk a little bit about these gold notes. Kind of break it down for us, what they are and how this works.
Sure. So, what's been happening in the gold market is that between 2000 and today, gold's gone up from $279 an ounce to, almost, about $1,900 in the last week or so. So that has made traditional coins that everybody knows and loves, very unaffordable. And what has happened instead is we're looking for new technologies to deliver gold. And Valaurum is a nanotechnology where we're depositing gold atom by atom. And I just want to show you something. This is 24-karat gold. It's a gram of gold, and that's about $60 today in terms of melt value. And we make that right here in Oregon.
Wow. Okay, so like literally, what do you do with that if you were to buy a bunch of the gold bills?
Yeah. So typically you would buy them from a gold and silver dealer. There's online dealers, there's local companies, and they make a two-way market. So you can buy them, hold value, hopefully it goes up in value against the dollar. And when you're ready to sell, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 years from now, you sell it back and you have something of greater value.
Yeah, so I'm curious, why is gold becoming so popular right now? You mentioned the value over the last 2 decades has just continued to go up. What's contributing to that?
Yeah, I think it's market conditions, and it's global population. In terms of markets, people just feel uncertain. We have a digital economy. We have obviously election uncertainty in the short term. We have steadily increasing inflation over that entire 20-year period, planned inflation, sometimes 3-4%, but that erodes the value of money. And then the other thing is that we have 7 billion people. Gold is a worldwide standard of value. And as you have more people entering the middle class all over the world, they want to hold gold. And there's just a limited supply, not very much in the entire world at all. And so that's going to tend to drive the price up.
Oh, okay. And so how can people then, invest in it and do it smartly?
Yeah. So we hear, a lot of people think about, oh, I want to be a day trader and what's going to happen the next week and make a little bit here and there. We here at Valaurum, what we talk about a lot is what's your comfort over the next 5 or 10 years? What can you hold over 20 years that will hold value? And we don't see this as an alternative to, say, the stock market. We see it as a hedge, a way to create more safety in addition to your traditional investments.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Talk about diversifying, all
Your
your
portfolio.
assets, right? Yeah, using some fun buzzwords. So I'm curious, as it stands right now, what would the price be for an aurum of gold, and how does that compare to some of the gold coins that we may have seen in previous years?
Yeah, so today, with the price of just actually physically getting the gold, you might be looking at $2,000 for a single ounce coin. These sell for $70, $80. We have other ones, I think the picture you showed, that can be bought for maybe $10. So, we create a range of bills just like we have a range of paper currency, and we think these are the sort of usable, convenient increments that people really want to hold, and that's bearing out in the marketplace.
Wow, interesting concept.
It
for
is.
Sure, yeah.
It kind of reminds me, I gotta say, of like a Willy Wonka golden ticket, but
Yeah.
obviously worth a lot more than what you would want to wrap in a chocolate bar.
Right.
Maybe not as much as going to Willy Wonka's factory.
I mean,
but
that did look pretty cool. Yeah. Okay. Well, Adam, thank you so much for joining us. And of course, if people are interested in investing in these gold bills, we're going to put all that information on coin.com. Have a good one.
Great. Thank you for having me.
Thanks.